Are you ready to future-proof your software testing career? In 2026, the QA world is evolving faster than ever. And if you don't know these 7 game-changing trends, you risk falling behind. Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the top software testing trends that every tester must know to stay relevant and ahead of the curve. Welcome to Relucent Learning, where we help you become qualified professionals and build a thriving career. Today, we're diving into the hottest software testing trends for 2026, from AI-powered testing to mobile automation and beyond. Let's get started. First up, AI in testing is no longer just a buzzword. It's transforming how we test software. Imagine AI agents that can create test cases, analyze failures, and even predict where bugs might hide. This means faster testing cycles and smarter insights. But remember, AI is your partner, not a replacement. You learn how to work alongside AI to become an unstoppable QA pro. Next, API first testing is taking center stage. With modern apps relying heavily on APIs, testing these endpoints early ensures your software's backbone is rock solid. This approach reduces integration issues and saves time, a must know for any tester in 2026. Trend 3, shift left and shift right testing. Shift left and shift right testing are changing the game by embedding quality checks throughout the development lifecycle. Shift left means catching bugs early during development, while shift right focuses on monitoring software in production. Together, they create a continuous feedback loop that guarantees higher quality releases. Trend 4, mobile test automation. Mobile test automation is booming as mobile apps dominate the market. Automated mobile testing tools are evolving rapidly, helping testers deliver flawless apps faster. If you're not automating mobile tests yet, 2026 is the year to start. Trend 5, continuous quality and DevOps integration. Continuous quality is the new norm, tightly integrated with DevOps pipelines. Testing is no longer a phase, but a continuous activity, ensuring faster releases without compromising quality. Learning how to integrate testing into CI/CD pipelines will make you invaluable to any team. Trend 6, security and performance testing. Security and performance testing are becoming essential parts of QA. With cyber threats rising and users demanding lightning-fast apps, testers must ensure software is secure and performs well under pressure. This trend is about building trust and reliability. Trend 7, AI-generated code testing. Finally, as AI starts writing code, testers need to step up to validate AI-generated software. This means new challenges and opportunities to ensure AI doesn't introduce hidden bugs or security flaws. It's a brave new world for testers. If you want to stay ahead in your QA career, mastering these trends is non-negotiable. Drop a comment below which trend excites you the most. If you want to become an expert in software testing, check out our highly rated and best-selling course that our students love. Check out the link in the description. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cutting-edge software testing insights. Thanks for watching and happy testing.